A high wind warning and wind advisories still remain in effect throughout the rest of the day today. The high wind warning is situated along the Blue Ridge Mountains and back into the Allegheny Highlands. Meanwhile, the rest of us are underneath that wind advisory, and these will be dropped at varying times through the afternoon and evening as those wind speeds gradually calm down location by location through the rest of the day. But by the overnight hours tonight, we should be done with these advisories and warnings. We already have had a few storm reports coming in, mostly out of western Maryland and the eastern panhandle. A couple of trees down across Mineral County. We also had a tree down over in Frostburg and Grantsville. So we're going to probably see more reports coming in throughout the afternoon. But thus far, we have mostly kept those reports over to the west. Look at these sustained wind speeds out there. Martinsburg, 32 miles an hour, steady at 26 in Hagerstown, and a steady wind at 23 miles an hour in Frederick. And then you factor in the wind gusts. Oh yeah, we've already topped 40 miles an hour in Cumberland there with its strongest gust, as well as Martinsburg. And with those storm reports back out into portions of Garrett County, the wind gusts have hit 55 miles an hour. So these numbers are likely to go up here as we're continuing to see those wind speeds peaking this afternoon. Look at that. We already have an 80-degree reading down in Culpeper. Taking a quick look at those temps, we have ramped up quite a bit already into the 70s. Frederick as well at 81 degrees, and it's going to stay warm at least for the next few hours, but cooler air is slowly arriving here as this storm system continues to pull in some of that drier, cooler air from the north and west. We will start to see those temperatures on the decline, but it will take until those wind speeds really drop off before the cooler air officially fills in. So going to be very blustery the rest of this evening, and that is eventually going to calm us down and lead to an amazing Saturday. But we are tracking showers and, yes, some storms rolling in on your Sunday. So check it out here. The rest of today, we're going to be fairly clear with those gusty winds in place, and really skies are going to be staying very, very clear all the way into Saturday, even as those wind speeds begin to calm down. After a morning of sunshine, however, we are going to start to see clouds returning later in the afternoon on Saturday and especially Saturday night. And here comes that next system. Again, plenty of rain likely to roll in on Sunday. And then in the afternoon, we could see a few thunderstorms associated with that, as the Storm Prediction Center has put northern Virginia, southern and central Maryland under a slight risk. That's a 2 out of 5 on the severe scale for that severe weather. It looks like most of the activity should stay south into North Carolina and Virginia, at least southern Virginia, but we can't rule out a few stronger storms with some potential damaging winds rolling through on Sunday. After all of that, it's going to be quieter to start next week, and we're looking at a cooler trend in our temperatures into next week.